In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a template in Monday.com. We're going to walk through a simple process that lets you turn any board you've built into a reusable template. This is perfect if you find yourself creating the same kinds of boards over and over, like project plans, onboarding checklists, or content calendars. Once you set up a template, you can spin up a new, consistent board in just a couple of clicks. First, you'll want to build what I'll call your source board. This is the board that will become your template. Start by creating a new board in Monday.com, just like you normally would. Give it a clear, descriptive name so you'll recognize it later when you use it as a template. Now, add all the columns you want to reuse each time. Common ones are status, people, timeline, date, and any other column types that match your workflow. Think about what information you always need, who is responsible, what the current status is, and when things are due. Set up your groups and items exactly how you'd like new boards to appear. You can add example items, default tasks, and even preset statuses. Take a moment here to get it right, because whatever you put on this board will be copied into every new board created from the template. Once your source board looks the way you want, it's time to turn it into a template. Go to the top right corner of your board's header. You'll see a three-dot icon, often called the More Options, or three-dot menu. Click on that. This opens a menu with several options related to your board. In that menu, look for the section labeled More Actions. Hover over or click it, and you'll see additional choices appear. Among those, select Save as a Template. When you choose this option, Monday.com will save your current board layout, including its columns and structure, as a reusable template. From now on, whenever you create a new board, you'll be able to select this template instead of starting from scratch. That means consistent structures, fewer mistakes, and faster setup every time you kick off a new project or process. So to recap, build your ideal source board, open the three-dot menu in the top right, go to More Actions, and click Save as a Template. Once that's done, your template is ready to use whenever you need it.